झटका झटका। दिल मेरा चाहे कि खिड़की में तेरी बन के कबूतर करूं मैं गुटर गुं। दाना खिलाए जो तू मुझे तो मैं प्यारे प्यारे हाथों को बार बार चूमूं। दिल मेरा चाहे कि खिड़की में तेरी बन के कबूतर करूं मैं गुटर गुं। दाना खिलाए जो तू मुझे तो मैं प्यारे प्यारे हाथों को बार बार चूमूं।
मेरे कबूतर मैं भर कर लाई झोली, पर चौक में तूने खोले जालिमा। आई आई ओ आई आई ओ आई आई ओ आई आई
तुम क्या जानो मोहब्बत क्या है, दिल की महफिल सनम ये महफिल नहीं दिल है। तुम क्या जानो मोहब्बत क्या है, दिल की महफिल सनम ये महफिल नहीं दिल है। सुनो कहना हमारा अमीरी है सितारा, गरीबी एक आंसू। मोहब्बत जिंदगी है बस इतना जान ले तू। तुम क्या जानो मोहब्बत क्या है, दिल की महफिल सनम ये महफिल नहीं दिल है। तुम क्या जानो मोहब्बत क्या है, दिल की महफिल सनम ये महफिल नहीं दिल है।
करके ले गए दिल, ले गए दिल। 10 बहाने करके ले गए दिल, 10 बहाने करके ले गए दिल, ले गए दिल। 10 बहाने करके ले गए दिल। ये दिल तो पहले ऐसा नहीं था, किसने बहकाया ऐसा सपना दिखाया। ये आंखें मेरी देखे उसी को, सोचे बिना ही उसे अपना बनाया। क्यों जीना तो मरने से अब है कहीं मुश्किल, खुद को जो खोया तो वो हो गया हासिल। 10 बहाने करके ले गए दिल, ले गए दिल। 10 बहाने करके ले गए दिल, ले गए दिल। 10 बहाने करके ले गए दिल। झलक दिखला जा, झलक दिखला जा, झलक दिखला जा। एक बार आजा, जा 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 जा। दीदार को कर से अखियां,
brave hearts, nation, big things. Luciano.
Come, let's go.
सुंदर मुखडा सोन्याचा तुकडा कुठं हा घेऊन जावा.
काय बाई अकरीत झालंय आई तुरीत सशाला बिळकुणी गावा. छपदरात पडलंय
Brave hearts, nation, big.
Hello? Hello? Yeah. We now have them, the sound recordist, Sharat Shirali.
Is the music of the soul, ecstasy of the mind, the beauty of the heart.
Sir,
Harmony is the joy of
the
togetherness,
music arranger, Mr. Satish, and the
unity
music
in
director,
diversity.
and the music,
Harmony is India.
and the music director, Kanhaiya Engineer ji. CES would give them a bouquet. I also like to call upon Vaidehi Shinde. Vaidehi Shinde. Vaidehi Shinde. आशीष शिंदे, फाइन. Kashyap, thanks for editing. Thank you.
That's why we want harmony. Yeah, that's why we want harmony.
Please come backstage. Isn't it really hot?
Good evening, people, and welcome to the fashion show. The wait is finally over, my friends. Right now, what you're going to watch is something which most people find difficult to believe. What is going to unfold in front of your eyes right now is something which the common man cannot perceive. Dentists as models, something impossible, don't you think? But right now, we have a lot of dentists here who are going to prove that the word impossible means I am possible. So let's start. Fasten your seat belts because we are going to land in the world of glamorous fashion.
And the first participant to you is Adroit Institute of Fashion Technology. Please welcome, guys.
Our judges for this evening are Dr. Ratndeep Patil, Dr. Sonali Sachdev, Mehnaz, and of course our very own Dr. Dimple Mistry. Please welcome them with a round of applause. Starting with the first college, Adroit Institute. Please give them a big hand.
सुबह नहीं चलती, तेरे बिना मेरी शाम नहीं ढलती, तेरे बिना मेरी जान है पिघलती नहीं चलती तेरे बिना मेरी शाम नहीं ढलती तेरे बिना मेरी जान है पिघलती
कहकशां है तेरा चेहरा यादों में है तेरा पहरा तेरा मेरा नाता बड़ा गहरा तेरे बिना मेरी सुबह नहीं चलती तेरे बिना मेरी शाम नहीं ढलती तेरे बिना मेरी जान है पिघलती कुछ ऐसा कह दो चाहे दिल तेरे बिना मेरी सुबह नहीं चलती तेरे बिना मेरी शाम नहीं ढलती तेरे बिना मेरी जान है पिघलती सुबह नहीं चलती तेरे बिना मेरी शाम नहीं ढलती तेरे बिना मेरी जान है पिघलती Yeah.
ख्वाहिशों में, भूल के मैं दुनिया सारी खोया तेरे नशे में। तेरे बिना मेरी सुबह नहीं चलती, तेरे बिना मेरी शाम नहीं ढलती, तेरे बिना मेरी जान पिघलती। सोनिए, 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 सोनिए।
कहकशां है तेरा चेहरा, यादों में है तेरा पहरा, तेरा मेरा नाता बड़ा गहरा। तेरे बिना मेरी सुबह नहीं चलती, तेरे बिना मेरी शाम नहीं ढलती, तेरे बिना मेरी जान है पिघलती।
सोनिए, 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 सोनिए। You are my love, you are my life, you'll always be deep in my heart. You are my love, you are my life, you'll always be deep in my heart. डूबे डूबे जिस्म चाहे प्यार की।
who takes you back to the villages of India and brings out the nationality in you. So friends, let's go Desi with YMT Heights.
सूरज लेके रब का नाम, कोई कहता है अल्लाह तो कोई कहता है राम। मेरे देश में मजहब जाति के जितने नाम है, हर नाम का मतलब आखिर भारत की शान है। ये खून से सींची मिट्टी है हिंदुस्तान की, जिसको पाने के लिए जाने कुर्बान की। जय हिंद का नारा हो मेरे देश में, जय हिंद का नारा हो मेरे देश में। देश का तिरंगा जब जब भी लहराता है, तब नाम नेहरू गांधी का जुबां पर आता है। मेरे देश में है ताजमहल निशानी प्यार की, मेरे देश में है हिमालय रक्षा जो आन की। सर कटा दिया अपना कितनों ने अपनी जान दी, तब जाकर मिली ये धरती हिंदुस्तान की। जय हिंद का नारा हो मेरे देश में, जय हिंद का नारा हो मेरे देश में। सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी ये गुलसितां हमारा। सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी ये गुलसितां हमारा। जय हिंद का नारा हो मेरे देश में, जय हिंद का नारा हो मेरे देश में, जय हिंद का नारा हो
out there? Okay, I have a surprise for you now. As you all might have guessed, this is the ethnic round going on. So I'm going to call upon stage someone who is dearly loved in this college. Coming up is Kasture. Are we missing on anything you think this evening, GD sides? Are we missing on our own college? Do we want GDC right now to perform?
The next participant is JDC Mumbai.
Mumbai. I would like to request all the judges present here, especially Ma'am Mehnaz Ma'am and Sonali Ma'am, Dr. Paul, Dr. Ratnadeep Zadav, and all the dignitaries to please come on the dais.
I'd now like to take the opportunity to introduce our judges and the chief guest to you. Tonight we have Dr. Ratnadeep Yadav. He was the GS of GDC. He has been a GD side. Yes, people. Please give him a big hand. Now he's a secretary of IDA Pimpri, and he has also participated in a number of fashion shows when he was in this college. So give him a big hand. Next we have Dr. Sonali Sachdev. She works in the advertisement, in the drama. She has come in the serial Ba, Bahu and Baby, which is a very famous serial. Also, she has acted in the movie Pyar Ka Super Hit Formula. We all loved it, didn't we? She has also played a very important part in the play The Vagina Monologues. Additional to that, she is a dentist. She has done her BDS from GDC and MDS in Ortho from Dharwad. So please give her a big hand. Next we have Mehnaz. You all know her as a pop singer. She has sung the song Banungi Main Miss India. Please give her a big hand. Also we have Dr. Dimple Mistry, who needs no introduction. Please give her a big hand as well. I now request Dr. Paul to kindly facilitate our judges.
I feel very happy to be invited here. I was never given that much importance as an orthodontist, but it's wonders that the media does. It feels lovely to be on this stage. I've performed here a lot, and we're always the best. So GDCites!
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now I'd like to kindly facilitate Dr. Ratnadeep Yadav.
It is indeed great pleasure to come back to GDC to organize such a grand event. What it takes, I really congratulate the GDC SA, especially organizing committee, to putting up such a grand show, and really thanking Dr. Paul, Dr. Rajesh Gaikwad, and General Secretary of GDC SA for giving us opportunity to come back to GDC. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
I would like to request Dr. Paul, our acting dean, please felicitate our Mehnaz ma'am.
Hi everyone, this is my very first visit to your wonderful college, and that's thanks to my very, very close friend Sonali. She requested me, she said, Mehnaz, this college has the most beautiful memories. She actually met her gorgeous husband here. So I couldn't say no, and whatever little I've seen, you guys have done a great job. Here's wishing you all the very best always. Thank you, and it's a pleasure again.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And now, could you please facilitate Dimple ma'am as well?
Good evening, everybody, once again. So I think the program is going very well. I wish to congratulate all the participants, and I must thank all the judges for coming here, and I request them to start the next round. Thanks you.
I'd like to request Manali to ask Ashwin Bonde to facilitate Polsa as well. We'd like to thank you for taking out the time and coming here this evening, all of you. Thank you so much. Kindly have a seat and enjoy the show.